Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. I wanted to stop by real quick to show you these soft and fluffy banana cupcakes. If you're thinking of a quick recipe with all those bananas lying on your counter, I have the best recipe for you. Always make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. You want to make sure you have really ripe bananas that are already having dark spots on them. Those are the best to make banana cupcakes. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to mash our bananas. You want to mash about 2 to 3 medium bananas to give you half a cup of mashed bananas. So fam, one thing about this recipe that I love so much is the fact that it takes only 30 minutes to put the ingredients together and also bake. It's a good recipe if you have visitors coming over and also even a quick snack for your kids. We're going to set our banana aside, and the next thing we're going to be doing is to mix all our dry ingredients. If you're new to this channel, please take a minute to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Once you're done with your dry ingredients, set that aside, and in a large bowl, we're gonna whisk together our sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, sour cream, and bananas. Whisk that until it's well incorporated. So fam, now you want to go ahead and add your dry ingredients and mix them until well incorporated. And there we go fam, our mixture is ready. The next thing you want to do is to butter and flour your baking pan and then put about 2/3 full of the mixture in each of them. So fam, we're going to be baking our cupcakes in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to be baking them for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So our cupcakes are ready. We're going to cool them in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove them and place them on a cooling rack for them to cool completely. Soft and fluffy. You know what time it is fam? Time to get yourself some yogurt and, as usual, give yourself a treat. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.